Having basic knowledge about Shopify. First of all, before opening your online store, you should have basic knowledge about the e-commerce platform in general, and particularly Shopify, which is one of the robust platforms. You need a basic knowledge about Shopify account tier, inventory, payment, customization options, marketing and SEO, and finally, customer support. If you already know about Shopify and its potential and want to create an online store to begin selling your products, but do not know how to start, great! That is exactly what we cover in the later part of this course. Decide the target audience. The next preparation step before starting a Shopify store is to decide the target audience, which is a specific group of people your business marketing efforts focusing on. To successfully sell online, you might understand that each touchpoint a potential customer has with your company should be tailored to their requirement and preference. You will be able to build a strong relationship with your target market and success in your business by doing this. For example, if you want to build a successful online store selling eco-friendly products, such as reusable water bottle, straw, or grocery bag, your target audience should be young adult of both sexes, aged from 18 to 35, who care about environmental protection and looking for convenient, high-quality, eco-friendly products. Before starting a Shopify store, you should also have a business plan because selecting the product you want to sell is one of the most crucial steps before you begin to building up your online store. There are many ways to find a profitable products or services that you should consider, but here we cover some of the finest way for you. Let's take a look. First, you have to do market research, which means you should check out what products are being sold in your niche. Then, moving on, you can join online communities that sell products or services that are appealing to you. You also should pay attention to any trending new products or services in the marketplace. Then you should research the competitions and see what gap exists within this particular industry and prepare what your business value can fill this gap. And don't forget to make sure with yourself that you love what you sell. This is very important because once you desire to sell your love product line, you will follow it no matter how hard it is. Once you have an idea of what product you want to sell, it's time to choose a business name. One thing you should keep in mind is that your company name should accurately describe the products that you sell. For instance, if you decide to sell eco-friendly products, you might use a name like EcoFlow Store or other name related to your product line. Now you already know more about how to make a business plan for your online store. If you still feel confused and do not know how to take actions, don't worry, we'll provide an example of making a business plan in more detail here. Now, let's take a look at our example of a business plan for a store that sells eco-friendly products. As I have said, the first step you need to do is market research. So you do research on the internet, market statistic or public resource. You'll find more information like eco-friendly market is growing rapidly and is expected to reach $24 billion in the year 2027. Potential market, right? And you see some competitor in the market such as Patagonia or the reusable bag.co. Next, you should go to the unique value proposition. In this case, our store offers many eco-friendly products that not only stylish and affordable, but also make it easy for customers to adopt an eco-friendly lifestyle. Now, moving on, let's think about product offering. Our store offers many eco-friendly products like reusable water bottle, reusable straw, and reusable grocery bag, and more. Another step I want to mention here is having marketing plan. Our business will reach our target audience through a combination of social media marketing, email marketing, and influencer marketing. When you sell your products, you have to consider product pricing. So the next step you need to take is to look at pricing strategy. Our product will be priced competitively with discount offer for bundle purchases and new customers. And I think this is a good idea to offer free shipping for orders that over a certain amount. Here, we provide free shipping for orders that are above $50, and we will use a third-party shipping provider to handle all the delivery. Then, you also need to consider operating plan. Our store will be using Shopify platform, which will handle all the ordering process, payment process, and customer service. We will also use a third-party fulfillment service to handle all product shipments. The next important step is preparing the financial plan. So with our business, our cost will include the cost of purchasing inventory, market expenses, and operating expenses. We will create revenue by selling our products and aim to achieve a profit margin of 20% within the first year of operation. So far, so good. We have provided a detailed example of the business plan. Hope that after our instructions, you will make a great plan for your business. That is the end of our first part, covering all the requirements you need to prepare before starting a Shopify store, including having a basic understanding of the Shopify platform, deciding the target customer, and making a business plan. I hope you are ready for actions because now we are moving to the exciting part where we start building your own store and setting everything up.